Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Makita and I'm here with a quick unboxing video. I purchased some skincare products from Ava Estell, some vegan products. It has a scrub and some other goodies. I purchased it just to see how my skin would like it. So I decided let me do a quick unboxing for you. First, here's inside of the box. Right? And it had the card right here, so it was very nice. And then now we have all these peanuts to go through. And I believe it's a trio. Yeah, it's a trio of products that I got. Everyone has been raging about this. It's an activating body scrub. Hopefully you can see that. Now this looks really nice and I'm kind of happy. It's in a pretty good size tin, 8.5 ounces. So this is nice. So I believe that this will last for a little while. The ingredients, lovely ingredients, things that you can pronounce, which that's what we should always try and put on our skin. It has cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, coffee, so that's what they use for the exfoliating action, vitamin E oil, lemon essential oil, rosemary oil, and eco-friendly, it looks like preservative. So wow, this looks pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. Let's open it up. Yep, I smell the coffee. So that's how it looks. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. So this you can use on your face and on your body. So I'm really excited about that. And then let's see what else we have here. We have the winter body cream with tea tree oil. So that is nice. Because definitely for me in the winter time, my skin gets so dry. So I'm excited about this to help out. And it also has awesome ingredients too. It has shea butter, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil. And if you know anything about grapeseed oil, it's usually very expensive. It has avocado oil, jojoba oil, tea tree essential oils, and vanilla and sweet orange essential oil. So let's check this out. Oh, that smells nice. This should be a candle. You smell the vanilla and then you smell the citrus. Oh, that smells good. They need to make some candles. All right, Ava Estell, just make a candle too out of this flavor because that smells nice. And then here we go. We have the Magic's cream. I think this is supposed to help fade marks and different things like that. Let's see. On here it doesn't have the exact use, but if you go on the website, I know a lot of people, they have some awesome before and after pictures where people use this magic cream and help to fade out dark spots. And it has a lot of awesome ingredients as well. Of course, the cocoa butter and the shea butter, so that's the base, it seems, of most of their products. The grapeseed, the avocado, the rosehip, the jojoba. Now this one has apricot kernel oil, licorice root, mulberry extract, bearberry extract, the vitamin E oil, which of course we know is very good for our skin, the lavender and lemon, and myrtle essential oil. So let's check this one out. You smell the lemon. Yeah, you definitely smell the lemon. Yeah. Very good. I don't even think I showed y'all this one because I was so busy smelling it. Alright, and it looks like a candle too. So these are really nice. I'm really excited to try all of these. I thought I had gotten a cleanser from them too. I'm not really sure if they do cleansers. I'm very new to this product, but I thought I have to check back their website, but I thought I was getting I thought I ordered a cleanser. I don't know if they do cleansers, probably not, but I guess possibly you can use your own cleanser, and then you use the scrub, and then I'm gonna look at some videos to figure out how to use these properly. I'm gonna go back to their website and probably check some other people and learn how to use these properly. Because okay, the scrub is self-explanatory, the scrub, but I'm trying to figure out, can I use both of these together or do I just use one? So I have to figure that out about the creams. But yeah. So here we go. We have Ava Estell. Some really nice products. I'm gonna be testing them out, and then I'm gonna take some pictures, and I'll do before and after and share with you what I thought about it and how it helped my skin. And I will post that on here too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. See you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've used these products before, or and if you like them, or if you can recommend some other products, especially for our kind of skin tone. So comment down below, like, comment, and share. Have an amazing day, and I always want to wish you much love. Take care. Bye.